Top 25 IT operations specialist interview questions and answers. IT operations specialists play a crucial role in maintaining system reliability, ensuring smooth IT workflows, and supporting technical infrastructure across organizations. Employers look for professionals who are skilled in troubleshooting, system monitoring, automation, communication, and security best practices. Preparing strong responses can help highlight your expertise and confidence. Below are the top 25 IT operations specialist interview questions and answers designed to help you stand out and succeed in your interview. 1. What interests you about the IT operations specialist role? I'm interested in this role because it allows me to work at the core of IT infrastructure where reliability, performance, and efficiency matter most. I enjoy troubleshooting, optimizing workflows, and ensuring systems run smoothly. IT operations combine technical skills, critical thinking, and teamwork, which suits my strengths. I'm also motivated by the impact this role has on business continuity. Supporting stable, secure, and scalable systems makes this position essential in any organization. 2. What are the main responsibilities of an IT operations specialist? An IT operations specialist monitors system performance, troubleshoots technical issues, manages routine maintenance, and supports company IT infrastructure. Responsibilities also include user support, incident management, documentation, system patching, backups, and ensuring uptime. They review logs, respond to alerts, and collaborate with other teams to resolve problems quickly. Security, compliance, and continuous system improvements are also key responsibilities. Their efforts maintain business continuity and ensure reliable technology operations throughout the organization. 3. How do you handle high-priority incidents or outages? I stay calm, follow escalation procedures, and focus on identifying a root cause quickly. My first step is to gather information, check monitoring tools, and validate the issue. I communicate clearly with stakeholders, provide frequent updates, and collaborate with team members for resolution. Once the incident is resolved, I document the process and contribute to a post-incident review to prevent recurrence. Prioritizing accuracy, communication, and efficiency ensures minimal downtime and quick recovery. 4. Describe your experience with system monitoring tools. I have hands-on experience with tools like Nagios, Zabbix, SolarWinds, and Datadog. I use these tools to monitor server health, network performance, application logs, and resource utilization. They help me identify issues early through automated alerts and dashboards. I also configure thresholds, set up custom alerts, and analyze performance trends. These monitoring tools improve uptime by providing real-time visibility into potential problems, ensuring systems remain secure and efficient for business operations. 5. How do you prioritize tasks during a busy workday? I prioritize tasks based on urgency, business impact, and deadlines. Critical issues affecting uptime come first, followed by tasks with significant deadlines or dependencies. I use ticketing systems and checklists to stay organized and communicate priorities with the team. I also stay flexible because IT environments are dynamic and priorities may shift. Clear communication, time management, and structured workflows ensure I meet expectations while maintaining high service quality during busy periods. 6. What is your experience with cloud technologies? I've worked with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud environments, focusing on tasks such as virtual machine management, monitoring, backups, and troubleshooting. I understand cloud networking, storage management, load balancing, and identity access control. I also support hybrid environments and assist with cloud migration activities. Cloud platforms offer scalability and automation benefits, and I'm comfortable using them for operational tasks. I continuously update my cloud knowledge to stay aligned with modern IT practices. 7. How do you ensure systems remain secure? I follow best practices such as patch management, regular system updates, strong access control, and continuous monitoring. I also ensure proper firewall configurations, implement least privilege principles, and conduct log reviews. Security also involves training users to prevent phishing and unsafe behaviors. I collaborate with the security team to address vulnerabilities proactively. Strong documentation, compliance checks, and backup strategies help ensure security remains consistent across systems and operations. 8. Describe a challenging issue you resolved in IT operations. In a previous role, our servers experienced intermittent performance drops. I investigated system logs, monitored resource usage, and identified a memory leak in a critical application. I collaborated with the development team to patch the issue, added temporary resource buffers, and implemented improved monitoring alerts. The solution prevented further outages and enhanced system stability. This experience taught me the importance of teamwork, attention to detail, and root cause analysis when resolving complex operational problems. 9. What is your experience with automation tools or scripting? I use automation tools like Ansible and PowerShell to streamline routine tasks, such as backups, patching, user provisioning, and log collection. I also write scripts in Bash and Python to automate repetitive functions, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. Automation helps IT operations scale smoothly and frees time for higher-level tasks. By implementing automation, I've improved consistency and reliability, while reducing manual workload and operational risk across various environments. 10. How do you handle communication during incidents? I communicate promptly, clearly, and accurately. I provide status updates, expected resolution times, and any workarounds available. Internally, I collaborate with technical teams to diagnose and resolve the issue. Externally, I keep stakeholders informed without overwhelming them with technical jargon. Consistent communication builds trust and reduces frustration during outages. After resolution, I ensure documentation and reports are complete so everyone understands the cause and preventive measures. 11. What is your experience with ticketing systems? I've used systems like ServiceNow, Jira, Zendesk, Freshservice, and Remedy for managing incidents, requests, and changes. I log detailed notes, categorize issues correctly, and follow SLA guidelines. Ticketing systems help maintain accountability, track progress, and ensure timely resolution. I also analyze ticket trends to identify recurring problems and suggest improvements. Using ticketing systems effectively ensures structured workflows, better communication, and high-quality service delivery in IT operations environments. 12. How do you handle hardware troubleshooting? I begin by confirming the symptoms, performing physical inspections, and checking logs or indicators. I use diagnostic tools to test memory, hard drives, and network interfaces. If required, I reseat components, replace parts, or escalate to vendors. Hardware troubleshooting also involves documenting issues and ensuring preventive maintenance. My methodical approach helps reduce downtime, identify root causes, and maintain equipment reliability across workstations, servers, and networking devices. 13. What strategies do you use for backup and recovery management? I ensure backups are automated, scheduled, and regularly tested. I use tools like Veeam, Acronis, and cloud-based backup systems. I follow retention policies, verify backup integrity, and perform periodic restore testing. Proper versioning, secure storage, and encryption are essential for protecting data. In case of data loss or system failure, I follow documented recovery procedures to restore operations quickly and accurately. Strong backup practices guarantee business continuity. 14. What is your approach to documentation? I maintain clear, updated, and accessible documentation for system configurations, troubleshooting procedures, workflows, and infrastructure diagrams. Good documentation reduces downtime, supports onboarding, and improves consistency across the team. I use tools like Confluence, SharePoint, or internal wikis. Documentation must always be revised after system changes, upgrades, or major incidents. A well-organized knowledge base ensures efficiency and supports high-quality IT operations. 15. How do you stay updated on IT trends? I stay updated by following technology blogs, attending webinars, completing certifications, and participating in IT communities. I also explore official documentation from vendors like Microsoft, AWS, and Cisco. Continuous learning is essential in IT because systems evolve rapidly. Staying informed ensures I can apply new tools, security practices, and operational improvements effectively. It also helps me remain proactive in contributing to modern and efficient IT environments. 16. What steps do you take to prevent system downtime? I implement proactive monitoring, patching, and hardware maintenance. I analyze performance trends to predict potential failures before they occur. Redundancy, proper capacity planning, and failover strategies are also essential. I ensure backups, disaster recovery plans, and security measures are in place. Preventive maintenance and automation further reduce risk. By combining monitoring, planning, and preventive actions, I help maintain stable and reliable IT operations with minimal disruptions. 17. What is your experience with virtualization technologies? I have experience working with VMware, Hyper-V, and VirtualBox. I manage virtual machines, configure resource allocation, monitor performance, and troubleshoot issues. Virtualization allows efficient hardware usage, simplified backups, and scalability. I also support VM migrations, snapshots, and cluster management. Virtualization is central to modern IT operations, and my experience helps ensure stable, optimized, and well-managed virtual environments for business applications and workloads. 18. Describe your experience with network troubleshooting. I troubleshoot network issues by checking connectivity, reviewing logs, and using tools like Ping, Traceroute, Wireshark, and network monitoring dashboards. I verify configurations on switches, firewall, and routers, ensuring proper DNS, DHCP, and routing functionality. Network troubleshooting requires patience, logical steps, and understanding OSI layers. My structured approach helps isolate root causes quickly and restore network performance efficiently. Clear documentation and communication ensure issues are resolved smoothly and professionally. 19. How do you handle user support requests? I respond promptly, listen carefully to the user's issue, and gather necessary details. I aim to resolve problems quickly while educating users when appropriate. If the issue requires escalation, I ensure proper documentation and communication. User support involves empathy, patience, and professionalism. As an IT operations specialist, I ensure users feel supported, issues are resolved efficiently, and overall productivity is maintained. Tracking trends also helps improve long-term system stability. 20. How do you approach change management? I follow structured change management procedures, including planning, risk assessment, documentation, testing, and approval before implementation. I communicate changes to affected teams and schedule implementation during low-impact hours. After deployment, I monitor systems and document results. Proper change management prevents outages, enhances system reliability, and ensures traceability. Following these best practices keeps operations stable, minimizes risks, and supports seamless updates across the IT environment. 21. What is your experience with IT compliance and standards? I have experience working with standards like ITIL, ISO 27001, and PCI DSS. I follow policies for access control, security, data protection, and documentation. Compliance ensures consistency, security, and accountability across systems. I also participate in audits, update procedures, and ensure systems meet organizational requirements. Understanding compliance helps protect business data, maintain trust, and support operational excellence in IT environments. 22. How do you handle recurring issues within IT operations? I analyze tickets and logs to identify patterns or common root causes. Once identified, I propose long-term solutions, whether through automation, patching, training, or workflow adjustments. Recurring issues often indicate deeper problems, so I collaborate with relevant teams to implement permanent fixes. Documentation and reporting ensure transparency. Reducing recurring issues improves system stability, saves time, and enhances productivity across the entire organization. 23. How do you ensure high system availability? I use proactive monitoring, redundancy, and failover strategies to maintain system availability. Regular patching, hardware inspections, and load balancing prevent potential failures. Backup systems and disaster recovery plans ensure quick recovery. I continuously review logs and performance metrics to detect unusual behavior early. Maintaining high availability involves planning, monitoring, and preventive actions, all essential for minimizing downtime and ensuring smooth business operations. 24. What is your experience with Active Directory? I worked extensively with Active Directory for user account management, group policies, authentication, and permissions. I manage organizational units, security groups, password policies, and access control. I also troubleshoot login issues, replication errors, and directory synchronization. AD is critical for centralized identity management, and my experience ensures secure and efficient administration. I follow best practices for security and always document changes thoroughly. 25. Why should we hire you for this role? You should hire me because I bring strong technical skills, excellent problem-solving abilities, and proactive approach to IT operations. I'm committed to maintaining system stability, security, and performance. I work well under pressure, communicate clearly, and collaborate effectively with teams. I also bring experience with modern tools, automation practices, and cloud technologies. My dedication to continuous learning ensures I stay updated, helping your organization operate efficiently and reliably. Preparing for an IT operations specialist interview requires a strong understanding of technical systems, problem-solving strategies, and communication skills. These top 25 questions help you showcase your knowledge and demonstrate your ability to maintain system reliability in a demanding environment. With the right preparation and confidence, you can present yourself as a capable professional ready to support and improve an organization's IT infrastructure. Good luck with your interview.